Yedo mo eba hotel. Ni nyina eka. Asana away team no na opponent no so no. Ochena mo bidura. Yasa chata flight. Omodi omo fi Accra because from Accra to Kumasi no per the competition regulation no. And say opponent no travel more than 200 kilometers. Into no I say you dim maso. Into a chata flight amoma. Omodi bani nyina yesikasem. Into management decided say great field no. I was say you can pull to pull no. Any center line on the boom near G26. No issues no VIP. And so you have 50 cities. And VVIP no, most of your bomb matches say a tie the check complimentary. But this time around, no, competition is one in Muka, you know, here 80 cities. That was VVIP side. No. So I say, you know, VVIP, I also say you to me, boss, Sika Kakra, so mobile. It apart from the normal security arrangement, your bomb match, management are requested for special security. And for that matter, military. Now, embark it no by especially we Sika be free abano. I say making sure say 2 cities go and be another day. I was say Asante Kotoko accounts when I say go the individual home. Until me I hear all those arrangements. I hear the military eba beboa side media no. Normal no. Here engage checkers. It be a circus for. It be a poly for. It be a mass for. This time around, no, the military airback.
Just let me know when
you are there. You see, can you to me application for accreditation. Now you will say a number of them and they apply. So accreditation there, you know. Apply allocate accreditation now according to number. Apply. The you say. I said, you know, you say, you move in no more match. If you move up a 2 year or a money. Application go away on any banano or a Jumao Dr. Pamichi FM. Now, application was also a Jumao at Monaca FM. So then the ban will be a minimum. And you know, say, offers up on as well. Not just say, one year, any year, in the year. And you know, all this is with me. I can't say, CCI can say accreditation for the match. I am ready. Yes, you are a Bahamana. I'm the bread until the best no out. Now, if you are a free or and now by Friday, no, they get to jump now, or apply no Abba Abeji. We are international match. Match I have no, since calf, our percentage. And you know, the best say a cheetah for no, say, or Montias. Now, charge the Amnescabia, LCC, or Mutia Eban. Now, Mutia in our development, and our more ACQ4. Because, say, about 1 African Cup match. Now, see you back on oneself. Now, club or no, about category DIB to me, the again, MPO team no more. I was saying, taking measures, I must account, a big ensemble, McCown. And at the first year, Book countries say about a participation in Africa, and I hijab. And you know, Omo NTRC, now Omo tired. Now, if you put tired, you see, and you say, Uti anybody will almost go to confess and you from this time, you say never again. We are moving forward, and management, I share to form one. BRSSA. Now, you to me go into the group stage this year, no. Ya here crowd say be sadio. Now, sebe every repair, any young club no, your chairman, your the life patron, the executive chairman, management, players, and supporters. Until you together and you unite, you can't boom more, you to me achieve. When you are there, you're so singing. Until no on match no arrangement as far as gate and not security, are concerned. And when you may have no Friday, this year, referees never do, or chance so match commissioner will be do. Your opponent will do or chance. And you know, or chance you Thursday, into you bear pre-match technical meeting, you have no match coordinating meeting, or chance every at 3 o'clock, Friday every at 3 o'clock over Bayern Sports Stadium. And this answer, Saturday every meeting, you know, the the kaka about accreditation. I'm saying, see the question was at time Friday because Friday we need to pay stadium more. Into that, more apply so only to me about stadium one from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
He has done it wonderfully well. Why can't you give it to him? Well, to those of you who have met, well, before the chief executive officer comes in, I have other management members with us here. I would like to give them 2 minutes each. At least tell us something. Those of you who have just come here or who first time is it today, who have come face to face with the management, let me take the opportunity to introduce them to you. On my immediate left is Mr. Isaac Donko, popularly known as Perusha. He is the Director of Operations. Immediately after him is Mr. Yao Amusapong, the Policy Analyst. Of course, the Chief Executive Officer is in the middle, Mr. George Amalko, a new trigger in Ghanaian football, followed by Nana Akwasi JBB, who is the personal assistant to the Executive Chairman, Professor Dr. Amici, and then Mr. Imonaka has just spoken, as I have indicated, the Greater Accra Regional Representative. My name is Samuel Safuduko, the Director of Communications. So without much ado, I invite Mr. Isaac Donko, the Director of Operations, to give us a word. Let's welcome him and give a round of applause.
Good afternoon. Dedi kan ebe ma nyina ye ho akwaba. Na mgidi ese nyina ye mi so etimponti e na dey. Ye hie mu ase. Ye nyakopon ya adom a Saturday match a e be Confederation Cup. Na as an operation director no the niema egugu akwan mu a gidi ese erade esi ba behwen ya ade kura ye expect nyakopon ya adom a da Saturday no ebe kwa ni mo kura chen said ye kura ye expect so far sabra ye ka say no ye de niema pi egugu akwan mu and na kura ho meeting na ye nyakopon ya adom da china e beto aso referee say ba on jumadi na fa team na ankasa no hono na ehia ye pa and then it me ball friendly match and in the edition team no said ebenya na hokeka CP na Saturday ni bibia team akoso so far see a campus so hwa problem bia my injury bia ni ho boys no more and so e wo soro a wo nyina so no hwe kwan say Saturday supporters ni so beba in advance because we are call hono na a empty stadium and omoba has here before entiatiemu no bebua form so a enwura omutiri mu a ehu no nye se efiri omumu no ne bikura na satam yetimi de 2 goals bi ato emwa mi hia ne se supporters no ebetimi aba be sha goma no so ma eno ba beka dwuma amadi no ho a ebema bibia timi SCP.
He was part of the contingent to Kenya. I'm sure that he might have seen something on the pitch that he would want to share with us, or the conduct of the team generally that you want to share with us. So I'll give him 2 minutes to do that.
Thank you, lawyer. Fabulous. 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 The meeting I can say, baby, Jenny ni free buy ni baby abedri no. Obia odi ne ho be shem ama Asante Kotoko aye successful no. Ebe beneficiary. Umpo Kotoko Africa ye wo no. A benefit media, a benefit management, a benefit the local economy. And a benefit Accra yawon and now only. Say do time be no Kotoko ye bold. Eka say ye be represent Ghana ewa Africa mebuana abra na normalization committee wo ho a obia mpese okọ yenko aye original say eye Asante Kotoko boku no ye be kọ etisi akọ ade na ehia
Just let me know when the
every and major stakeholders are in what country mu no ye ka say 3 arms of government are media no one eti we the judiciary legislature fiwa na ba the media eti media no mo ye chidom na yenye deda was ye bia wo radio so TV so anybody bia online radio na nipa entimi mra stadium enye ho ma se nipa ba stadium ebe show ma na ye sane dede ni go mo so na ye din kunima na ye kwa animu a benefits no eye nyina na ye benefit selfishness and more football wow obeka say Kotoko efrimu a ebe boa economy no now
just let me know
because scan out there bano ha one spend the crowd better hotel you be hotel bills ama omonye ska one spend the crowd no ubeto a chewing gum and I say bibi was stadium mo eti as a matter of fact football boost the local economy and remember
just let me know when
the Kotoko enko nanim e wo Africa we na ebe yen kra yenko na yenko je in the final round eno an metimi di aka na media for ni bibisa about replica no so eno so ye ne o maka nyame boy bi be ba ansa na abo match no by Friday na ebi wo kro medamase.
That's a piece of good news. Give it to him, give it to him, give it to him. Ladies and gentlemen, we're drawing the curtain down. Almost. The executive chairman should have been here. But as you know, when the CEO is around, he doubles as a representative for the executive chairman. But our customs and culture demands that when the chief speaks, that is the end. No one else speaks. So before the chief speaks, the personal assistant to the executive chairman is here. He might have whispered something to his ears, which we are not privy to. So I'll give him the opportunity to also tell us something before the CEO will come. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Nana Akwasi JBB, the personal assistant to the executive chairman, Professor Dr. Kwame from UK. AKA Koka. He's back from the United Kingdom, where he's currently pursuing his master's degree. In fact, before touching down here, he made a transit in Kenya just to catch a glimpse of what was happening there. So he's a powerful person, and we are privileged to have him here. After the match, he'll go back to continue with his education in the UK. Nana, over to you.
Thank you very much. Yo, Fabu. Fabu. Pablos. Yo. Yo, Eddie Kaino. Executive chairman and them. It's answer. Ordinary BB. Ashima no se me kanche Kotoko chitafo. Na ono se na ma ekwan se yenye press conference ni nam so etimide match a eba bebo no ho nhihye ni si ani so ne nia ye pese ye achieve ye timide ato ya na makwanya we so de ato echitafo ani ni senti ena adwumadie ekoso so damase so za frɛ mo aba na ye hia ne kese ne sɛ ne ewo mu bia honam afam ne ewo mu bia honam afam enipa afam ne nipa be ewo sɛ ewo ye na kosiada sorry memeda nyame ya adom na miensa epemu a ne de akansie ne hye so a ekopem se ebebo 90 minutes ni bewie no na nkunimdie aye kotokodia nia ewo se oye biara ewo se oka eye ne management ho na ye biara Yeah, I didn't kunim die supporters. Chairman say, why? Unye wagusunso on the management. Egusu ye. Enti supporters baby bia yeso yemfa akumapa na yemfa gidie ensom yemfa akumapa eni gidie ensom na yeso yentu saa gidie anamo no ninachi na ono de ade esi na ni so pa ne se saa confederation yebekọ animu ni akọ na adom ne dom ye ya nanka ya sanso afa kruwa no ne pero no the supporters his honor asma what can say and I said the chairman of Kumasi Asante Kotoko na asma Kenya and say we are supporter bia wo baby bia na akomapa bompaepa to anamompa na support this project na intimimwie nkunimde ema Asantemai the say bi no o say media no so muhu hia dwumadie and his honor extra media and as a chairman extra sonko enso de ma the media enu no ena oye management no or the communications department by so that will serve as an interface between the management and then the media. Yeah, every now and then you will be bia ibetimi aba you was bia ne haya ibetimi aba communication and I say timi friend we dwumadie so ne na twetwe nkomo enti osese media muhu hia the Kotoko dwumadie and as a Kotoko kankro enti neb ade ba ko a osere o mo ne say mon support the project no let that support be very positive. Ade ba ko his honor extra every media no ho say you have to do your job as a media. You have to be independent, you have to be candid and objective. But this very cause, you have to support the project. This is the call from the chairman of the club. It's the best say papa no ekanye yen support it esan say Asantemai enenya sebi yedi adwuma ye wa Asantemai mu a ena Asante Kotoko enso na gina akono Asantemai na enya misisu biem sebi otumfo osetutu wasoma say Asantemai yenko Africa and Asante Kotoko nko gina Asantemai ni mu Africa. Now once again yenko conquer like we have done or we did previously. Yenko repeat that feat. Etino ebe hia say senia Asante kwako a say ohempon omanu muso a obi biara o Asante mu ka no ho na omo akoko no sabiem eni asenya sa kwanya ni biem ni asaba but this time around it's in a different form and this case you know I have football. We want to use Kotoko to conquer Africa once again. We want to use Kotoko to conquer Africa once again. Now, this is how we have to do it. Obia, every stakeholder is also part of it. Be it achievable or unachievable. Let us give it a try. It doesn't matter the stage we are. We should just give it a try. Let us support and let's see what comes out of it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nana Akwasi JBB. He's the PA to the executive chairman. Ladies and gentlemen, the truth must be told. Shakespeare says, truth is like a mirror. It reflects wherever it goes. About 4 months ago, most of you were yearning for the inclusion of some personalities into the management team of this great club. And it seemed that almost all of you had a common voice, because your voices were pointing to a particular direction. By God's grace, a new team was put together, and there's one man people were crying for to lead. We were crying for a football person, an eligible person, and above all, a Kotoko man. Lo and behold, that dream came to fruition. And you would agree with me that this management team has received some goodwill from the entire Ghanaian populace. Ladies and gentlemen, the man who has been on the driving seat of this short but a very successful management team is here with us. He will specifically speak on the financial obligations required in such an undertaking. Let's welcome the boss, the CEO, the MD of the greatest club ever to have come to this country, Mr. George Amakon. Would you have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Fabulous. Fabulous.
Adam, we are for you can fabulous of my idea. We are for Mabia. 7 7. Adam to be so. Fabulous. Yeah, go near video. First. Madam was here from short notice. Now, Baba, some babity and some kakalama kotonamai. Median tia. Meka na matras and matram questions. Questions as you my from the Asante Kotoko. But every time I say I answer, I'm going to be out in African campaign, and yet, as a good one, you seek a Samson. You seek a Samson. Into Ovia rates are aging memory that much now 2050-80. Meet me, I can say, and then the basic, yeah, they started. Yeah, quite no. A bear can see us, sir. Saying na per se ye, na boko ye near co, baby, I say, your cocoa drew. Then I say, prepare, say, a babois with a gate fee. Now, yet made a because I make mammo insight into Sikasam for this particular match against Kariobangi for you bought first leg away. First leg, you know. A honka provisionally. It's about 288,443. First leg, provisional figures. Hidden costs here and there, but not yet substantial. But and when you bet me, I can say, you bought 288,443.
Put it in the old
I know, who know.
See you twice, more there.
That was think well.
And second leggy, a car, you ever born. It's about 392, is it? Plus 25. It would the second leg, no, the only first leg in the Kaboma.
Second leg, 58,000.
Microphone.
No. Second leg, 58,000 minus provision for qualifying bonus and their Cropon camping expenses. Until it cannot be 58,000. But all in all, first leg and second leg, we are expecting to spend about 417,000. 417,000. When we finish and we are able to certify the accounts, I will make it known. But this is a provisional figure, which we have to spend to execute this round of the competition. And Munya Beja to say with this figure at the hanging around our neck, we will need to charge those rates to be able to cover part, not all, cover part of it. Because you're pretty 30,000 tickets. 30,000 tickets. And we hope we'll be able to sell a lot of it to be able to cover this cost. Inti yasama momo ni deru Kotoko pese yakoye nim wakota competition. Esi up tutu nyoma in such a way say yenye jaye hu wakwan biaso. Yesi kwa chadi efero yedisika eneye. Inti this will explain why we need to charge those rates. What did we compare last year? Kara, Kotokone Kara. You realize, you say, this time around, Yankupo by your side, Kakra, I'm yet to me manage finances much better. But last year against Kara, the total expenditure against Kara was 777,574. 7 billion. Also, 7 billion, but it's a modern Ghana. It's a mechanical 777,574. The same around that you bought last year. And out of this, we made a home gate proceeds of 330 cities. And on a jaya a car of 628,243. We don't want to repeat this feat. We don't want it because if you do this, you can't go far. One other bumpire say, you are free now Kaswati. Yes, we are penisa. You perceive a quiet name. Near Kobe and Yamidi bedroom say a Kojika near Jabba. Inti Momwaye near Tom Marchino. A canon and ya kakitwa into 20 cities no, and ya dear a washroom. A bois me had the cannon abafom kakra. The timia abo akoyanim near timia mitikos lina. Inti Metrai na more questions are more no. You try say you answer. Na bibia atwa yi.
Thank you, the Chief Executive Officer. Ladies and gentlemen, the coast has finally surfaced, but we have to